Yes, so today we will discuss exterior angle property. For a triangle, we will discuss this property. So what is the exterior angle property is? For any triangle, exterior angle, it is equals to the sum of opposite two interior angles. Just see the diagram, this diagram, it is given to you all. In this particular given diagram, when we have drawn a line extending a particular vertex, for example, in this diagram, we have extended this line BC to the point D. Then in this case, this ACD, this is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. And this exterior angle, it is equal to the opposite to interior angle. So this statement you have to learn that exterior angle, it is equal to the sum of opposite to interior angle. With the help of this property, we can find solution for our questions. That questions given in our exercise, that is exercise 6.2. Okay, we can make any exterior angle. We can make exterior angle when we are extending one side of a triangle. Okay, if we are extending the side of the triangle, we can make exterior angle in the triangle. So how many exterior angle we can make in a triangle? We can make 6 exterior angle. Okay, in the particular given triangle. So with the help of this property, we will solve our exercise. That is exercise 6.2. Let us see what is the first question of our exercise. Here it is given to us. You need to find the unknown value, unknown exterior angle. The diagram is given to you and you need to find it out, the unknown exterior angle. So just see the diagram. This is the diagram for you. Okay, in this given diagram, this x is the exterior angle. So this exterior angle x, as per the property, it is equal to the sum of these two opposite sides. Okay, so what we will write? That the exterior angle, it is equal to the sum of opposite two interior angles. This reason you have to give. Okay, because of this reason, we can write that exterior angle x, it is equal to 50 and 70. And when we add 50 and 70, the result is 120. So here there is a relationship between three angles. And if we know two angles, we can find out the third one. Okay, if we know two angles, we can easily find out third one. Same, we will do rest of the questions also. Just see the second part. Second part for question number first. Again, one diagram is given to you and you have to find out the unknown value. So seeing the diagram, you can easily find it out what is the unknown value. Okay, so here also this exterior angle x, this exterior angle x, it is equal to the sum of these two interior angle. When we add 65 and 45, we can find our answer. Okay, so same way you can find answer for each and every question given in first part. Whatever the questions are given in first part, in the same way you can find your solution. See the third part also. Again, third part, opposite angle of x is 30 and 40. So the value of x is sum of 30 and 40, that is 70. But reason you have to give. For each and every step you are doing, you have to give the reason that why you are writing x as 30 and 40. Okay, same. Fourth part also, just see 60 and 60. These are the opposite of x. So you will add both of them and you got your answer. Same questions are there. Okay, now see here. In this question, in the fifth part, how to solve it. Okay, when you are seeing the question, just see how to solve it. Here also, will get your answer that value of x is equals to the sum of opposite two angles. X की value क्या आएगी? It is equals to sum of opposite two angles. Again, In the sixth part also, just see the sixth part. In this sixth part also, you can get your answer that x is equals to 30 and 60. So simply you can write your answer as, because the sum of exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite to interior angle. So the value of x is 90. Okay. So in question number 1, all questions are similar. Simply you have to find out the outermost unknown value by adding the inner two interior angles. Yes, this question number 2, this we have discussed yesterday also. In this, you have to find it out the unknown interior angle. Okay, in this question, you have to find out unknown interior angle. But when we are seeing the question, what we are seeing that exterior angle is given to us. So we will use the same property. Okay, property will be same. We will use the exterior angle property. This exterior angle, this 115, it is equals to the sum of inner two interior angle. ये जो आपका exterior angle है, it is equal to the sum of inner two interior angle. So 115, it is equal to x and 50. Okay. Now what you need to find it out? You need to find out the value for x. So when you have to find out the value of x, just see here, 50, it will transpose to right hand side, RHS, and its sign will be changed. So we will subtract 50 from 115 and we got our answer. Okay, we got our answer when we are subtracting them. So by subtracting one of the interior angle from the exterior one, we can find our answer. Same second part also, for question number second part. Value of x is, you will subtract both of them. You will subtract 70 from 100. Yes, third part. Just see the third part carefully. Here, don't get confused. Ki, ma'am, third angle is not given to us. How to find it out? So this sign, you already know that this is the sign for 90 degree. Okay, that's why this angle is of 90 degree. So what we will do? This 125, it is equal to the sum of x and 90. When we will add x and 90, it is equal to the exterior angle. Then what we will do? We will transpose it. We will transpose 90. 125 में से 90 subtract हो जाएगा. And when we got our answer. Okay, so whenever these type of questions are there, two angles are known to you. दो angles आपको पता होंगे. Then you can easily find out the third angle. Same in the fourth part also. It is clearly visible that 60 and x, they both are the opposite exterior angle. So directly you can subtract 60 from 120 also. You can write that because of the angles, interior angle property, that interior angle, sum of opposite to interior angle is equals to the exterior angle. We can solve it. Okay. The steps are same for each and every question. Second question के each and every part के लिए step same है. Simply what you need to do, you need to add opposite to interior angle and you can easily find it out the unknown angle. Okay, if exterior angle is unknown to you, you can add opposite to interior angle. If one of the opposite to interior angle is unknown to you, you can subtract it from the exterior angle and you can find it out the interior angle. Okay, so this is all related to our exercise, that is exercise 6.2.